Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tech with Triple J. So today's topic in flowgorithm which I'm going to do is to create a program which is held during the election. It might be in your school election or college election or just for fun. So let's begin with taking the command box. So it's asking entering the text. You don't need to use double quotes. So I've told only we have to use double quotes in output statement. So let's type the program. So today's program is voting program. And guys, so for voting program, take the output first statement. Output statement should open with the double quotes. So welcome to the election poll. So welcome to the election poll. Click on OK. So let's add one more output statement. So asking the age of the person. Please enter your age. Close the double quotes. Click on OK. So we are asking the user first, welcome to the election poll, and then please enter your age. So let's declare the variable first, that is the age. Let's take the type as integer itself, and we need to input the age from the user. Yeah, done. So this is the first part of the program. So we have entered the declared statement and we have asked the user to enter the age. So now it's time to do the next stuff by taking the control statement of if. So if control, let's take double click on it, and let's, so since here in my country we are only eligible to vote above the age of 18 years. So let's take the age is less than 18 years condition. So the condition is the age is less than 18 years. If it's less than 18 years, so let's output the statement as sorry, you are not eligible to vote. Yeah. So if the statement is false, like the user enters an age of 19 years, so 19 is obviously greater than 18. So it's according to the given condition here, age less than 18. The age is less than 18, like 17, 16, 15, 14. So it is a true condition. So we get the output, sorry, you're not eligible to vote. If it's a false condition, so we take an output statement. Yes, please cast your vote. Close the inverted commas, click on OK. So guys, this is the program. Now let's run the program and check. Yeah, so the console window is here. Welcome to the election poll. Please enter your age. So let's take age as 16. Enter. Yeah, so it is telling that sorry, you're not eligible to vote. Let's take a bigger number. So it's asking please enter your age. Let's take it as 19. Enter. Yeah, so please cast your vote. So let's try what if we type our age as 18. Yeah, 18 also you can vote. The numbers age less than 18 cannot vote. So hope you guys understood this program. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and also hit the bell icon to get my latest video on flowgorithm and many more. Thank you guys.